4 Chinese military officers and soldiers were killed in last year's Galwan Valley clash in eastern Ladakh, with the Indian Army, China officially acknowledged for the first time on Friday as it gave honorary titles and first-class merit citations to the deceased. The People's Liberation Army official newspaper of the Chinese military announced posthumous gallantry citations for 4 soldiers, including the regimental commander, for their actions. As Bengal Assembly elections are drawing closer, trouble seems to be brewing for the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee amid Bharatiya Janata Party's ambition to paint the state saffron. After some of the top Trinamool Congress ministers and leaders joined the BJP, 2 MPs and 3 MLAs from South 24 Parganas have renewed speculations after they went missing from Banerjee's meet in Pailan. Lawmakers Mimi Chakraborty and Pratima Mondal and MLAs Jeevan Mukherjee, Debashri Roy and Manturam Pakhira were absent from the meeting on Thursday, sources said. This comes even as the BJP recently decided to put a stop on mass joinings of leaders from the TMC. In its manifesto for the Vadodara Municipal Corporation election due on Sunday, the Congress party has promised date destinations with coffee shops for the youth, students, couples and corporates, drawing the ire of Bharatiya Janata Party. Besides these coffee shops, Congress has promised English medium schools for each zone and modern schools for free education and party halls for women's kitty parties as well. The Congress's manifesto is in line with its promise for an iconic Vadodara. If voted to power, the party said it will introduce ultra-modern schools offering free education, English medium schools in every zone, which will lower the dropout rate, apart from boost for health facilities, as well as lower property tax slabs and other civic amenity charges. Petrol and diesel prices were on Friday hiked for the 11th day in a row in the national capital, even as India has urged global oil producers to ease production cuts. While the rate of petrol was increased by 31 paise, that of diesel was raised by 33 paise, according to a price notification of state-owned fuel retailers. The hike took the petrol price in Delhi to a record 90 rupees 19 paise per litre, and the diesel rate climbed to 80 rupees 60 paise a litre. NASA's Mars rover Perseverance is one step ahead of Elon Musk when it comes to getting to the red planet, which it called its forever home. Perseverance, the most advanced astrobiology laboratory ever sent to another world, streaked through the Martian atmosphere on Thursday and landed safely on the floor of the vast crater, its first stop on a search for traces of ancient microbial life on the red planet. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.